Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an in or out slime game. So let's get started. So right now you are out if you're fixing your slime. You're also out if you're making slime. And you're out if you own purple slime. Alright, you're back in if you are wearing something blue. You're also back in if you're on summer vacation when you're watching this right now. And you're back in if it's raining outside your house right now. Alright, you are out if your favorite color is gray. You're also out if you have your nails painted pink. And you're out if you like to draw comic books. Now you're back in if you have white slime. You're also back in if you own fake nails. And you're back in if you're wearing your pajamas. Okay, so right now you're out if you're subscribed to my channel. But if you like this video, in 5 seconds, you're back in. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. Alright. If you liked that video in the 5 seconds, then you are back into the game. Alright? But also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, you're out. So, yes. If you subscribe to my channel in 10 seconds, you're back in the game. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. Alright. If you subscribed in that 10 seconds, then you are back in the game. But you're out of the game if your fingers are covered in slime. But you can get back into the game if you've ever watched The Amazing World of Gumball. So right now, you're out if you've drank lemonade recently. You're also out if you like to play with Play-Doh. But you're back in if your favorite color is green. So that is it for today's video. Comment down below if you're in or out by the end of the video. So that's it for now. Bye guys, thanks for watching.